Low libido in men can be a major issue and cause a significant amount of stress in men. That's why today I'm going to get straight to the point and talk about the 5 most common causes of low libido in men. Let's get started. Low libido in men, also called low sex drive, is more common than you think. But a low sex drive sometimes makes a man feel like they're less of a man, and then this can lead to erectile dysfunction, decrease in performance in the bedroom, and then more stress. On the other hand, you gotta remember, some men naturally have a low libido and it's been that way their whole life. They're fine with it and that's perfectly normal. But some men naturally have a very robust libido their whole life. Then all of a sudden, boom, it falls off a cliff. Then they're thinking to themselves, why do I have a low libido? What happened to my sex drive? How did my libido just fall off a cliff? This can be incredibly frustrating, especially if you can't figure out the reason why you have low libido. But I'm telling you, you're not alone. With that being said, finally, let's get into the top 5 causes of low libido in men. The first cause of low libido in men is medications. Medications like antidepressants, to include SSRIs, SNRIs, or other mental health medications, could impact somebody's libido. So if you notice that you got started on a medication and your libido plummeted, talk with your primary care provider. Other medications that can cause your libido to nosedive is blood pressure medications like beta blockers and diuretics, opioids, as well as anti-seizure medications. So if you've been on these medications for a while or you recently started them, this may be the cause. Number 2. The second potential cause of low libido, you're not gonna like this one, alcohol. And you may be thinking to yourself, oh no, I love alcohol, I don't wanna stop alcohol. But I got some relatively good news. It's heavy alcohol use, meaning if you drink more than 14 drinks per week, this could potentially lower your libido. And the reason why is because studies show that if you drink more than 14 drinks per week, this can decrease your testosterone, thus decreasing your libido. Speaking of alcohol, if you have any funny stories, put them in the comment below because sometimes we just need a good laugh. Also, if you're getting any value from this video, please consider giving me a like and a subscribe below. The third potential cause of low libido is mental health problems, and that can include excessive stress, lack of sleep, excessive anxiety, depression. These can all lower the libido. So if you've noticed increased stressors at home, at work, or at school, and this correlates to the decrease in libido, this could be the cause. So it's very important to practice good stress management techniques. Stress management techniques can be different for everybody. Getting plenty of rest is good. Hanging out with friends, getting exercise, meditating, doing yoga. Anything that decreases your stress could potentially increase your libido. Remember, a lot of us are busy. We're working our butt off. We have kids. We have other obligations. But it's very important to take time to yourself because remember, your health should always come first. The fourth potential cause of low libido in men is smoking. Smoking tobacco and marijuana lowers the testosterone, thus lowering the libido. Not only does it do that, but it could also cause erectile dysfunction as well as lung cancer, 2 things you don't want. The fifth potential cause of low libido in men is chronic illnesses. Chronic illnesses like obesity, type 2 diabetes, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, diseases of the lungs, the heart, the liver, the kidneys. All of these tax the body and damages the body. This can lead to erectile dysfunction as well as low libido. Wait, don't leave yet. We got one bonus one, and the bonus one is low testosterone. We talked about it throughout the video. If your testosterone is low, you could potentially have low libido. So it's very important to naturally boost your testosterone through exercise, eating good, getting great sleep. These are important things to do to keep your testosterone where it needs to be. There can be other reasons why people have low libido, but these are quite rare. But if you have any questions, always talk with your primary care provider. If you're interested in getting your testosterone checked or other hormones checked, I left a link in the description below of a company that sends you a kit. You do the test at home, you send it back and get the results in a matter of days. This can be a great option for some people who just want to do it in the privacy of their own home and not have to go into a doctor's office and deal with people like me. Well, that wraps up today's video on the top 5 most common causes of low libido in men. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget forget to like and subscribe below. Until next time, take care.